n number of jobs, okay, 3 machines. If in case this problem is given, how we need to solve this problem? Are you able to hear clearly? Okay. Now, so I will take a one problem. So are you able to see the screen clearly? Okay. Now I'm taking a one real-time company example so you can understand clearly how the company will be working on. So this problem is an industrial base when they are going to go for the maintenance. In the last problem, we have taken the machining operation, but now we are going to take a problem in the maintenance department, how that crew will be happen in the different preventive to reducing the cost. Okay, that is which problem we have solved. That is a one part of problem. It should be continuously regulation process. This is a maintenance problem. The company that uses its maintenance crew, maintenance team, I can say that, okay, that maintenance crew, okay, in the three teams, okay, in the three teams, okay, for the preventive maintenance. I hope please everyone take down in your notebook when you am going to write in the notepad. Fine. So for the maintenance, so what will happen? Uh, Maintenance. Okay, for their heavy vehicles. Okay, just generally for the heavy vehicles. Now the first team, okay, teams looks after the replacement. The first team after the replacement. I hope everyone can see this. Yeah, I need to write somewhat bigger.
No need, sir. It's clear.
Clear. Okay, first. The first team, what they are going that it's going for the replacement for the warm out parts. Okay, warm out part. Okay, and the second one is going for the oiling. Okay, oiling and resetting. Okay, and the third part is going for the checking and and testing running testing running the running, okay, of the estimated time for maintenance of each vehicles. Fine, each vehicles. Now the problem is given in hours. The problem is given in the hours. Now, as given in the hours. Okay. Now, and the following tables and passing not allowed. Okay. Now, what we have to do? Find the sequence, and scheduled. Okay. Sometimes they will give in the scheduled team. So as the maintenance as to the minimize, what we have to do? We have to do the minimizing the total passing time, also elapsed time. Sometimes some pronunciation, basically elapsed time and the idle time. If you see in the last problem, we'll get the clear idea that what we need to do, we have to find the sequencing or scheduling the time, and we have to find the passing time of the total passing time of the machine 1 and machine 2 and the machine 3 and means vehicles, and also finally we have to find out the all the idle times. Now, this is the question which they have given in the problem. Now, you can observe here, okay, you can observe here what we have to do. So, 1 minute. Okay, so fine. Now what they're given, so here the usually what happened here, now you can see here that the first one is team. What the team is given, there are the vehicle numbers. I can say that 1, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are the first one is in vehicle numbers, and the next one is replacement. What they given, the first one is then replacementing the one part of parts. Okay, replacement teams. Replacement teams are 3, 8, 7, 4, 9, 8 and 7. Okay, and the second one is what? We have to go for the resettings. The resettings. Okay, please adjust. The resettings are 4, 3, 2, 5, 1, 4 and 3. So another which one, another is checking. Okay, and also inspections. We can say that instead of checking, we can write it as an inspection the parts. The inspection the part is given 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 5, 11, 5, 6 and 12. So students, so far this is our question. We need to find out the start the problem. Now you can see sometimes these tables will be given in the question itself. We have to divide, and also we need to write it down, and we need to make the standard form. So now our problems will start now. You can write it down. The first step we have to make the standard form. What the standard form? All the time you either it's not processing the time. Here the vehicle numbers they're given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and also it is in the standard form. And the step 2, what is going to say that we have to find the all the replacement we have to do. In the last problem we have taken the machine, now we have taken the vehicle. First one is the replacement, setting and the inspection. It should be go in the sequence with the minimum the time. Okay, we have done this one, all the vehicle numbers set sequence, not sequence, you have written in the table. And the fourth one, the third step, what we need to do, we have to find the sequence. Guys, please listen here. Now this is more important when you're going to solve in the problem. What we are going to solve now, you can just check it out that. So here we need to find the sequence. In the last problem, what we have done, we have taken the directly and we have written here. Yes. Now guys, listen here. Now, but see here, we have to do only one sequence, but we have the 3 replacement. Now the problems will occur here. You should understand where we need to find. Okay, in the last problem we have done into 2, but here how we need to start. There is no machine 1 and machine 2. There are the things are there. We have to denote. This is will denote as X, Y and Z. For your example, we are denoting, and here we'll take A and B. Now you can see in the first one, here the minimum time is 9 and the maximum is 3 and 9. This is the minimum. Okay, this is the maximum. Here we have the minimum and the maximum is in the 4, and here we have that number inspection in the minimum and the maximum in the 12. So what the our simplicity says that when we can start in the simple form, which should be in the sequence anyway. Setting the resetting is
maximum 5 కదా sir?
Sir, 5 sir maximum.
Existing.
okay, fine. Okay, so thank you, Saik. No issue. Now 5 is then maximum in the resetting. Now what is going to say here also maximum is 9, but we need to start from the replacing, and the minimum time is 3. Here the 2. But what will happen after replacement? Only the settings will be go, resetting will be final, and the rechecking will be go. In this problem, what we can do, x plus y, okay, and here y plus z, okay. We'll consider as a here and b here. Now we'll do in this format, and we'll write it down the problem. Okay, so what we can do here, we can write it down. Okay, there is no space. I will write here, okay, a and b. Now please you add this x and y, you add it. Now what will happen? 7. Okay, we'll write it down the vehicle numbers 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 7. Okay, fine, these are the vehicle numbers. These are the vehicle numbers. Now this is, we'll call as an a and we'll call as a b. Now you should add x and y. 3 plus 4 7, 8 plus 3 is 11, and 7 plus 2 is 9, and the 4 plus 9 here 10, 12, 10. This part is completed. Now y plus x. So 10 here, 10 here, okay, 7, 16, 6, the 10 and the 15. Now we have done into the 3 machines or 3 vehicles. Instead for the machine, we'll write it as a vehicles. This problem in the vehicle. Moreover, in this chapter, they will go in the machines. You should think that vehicle is equal to machine itself. Now, with the help of the third step, while doing the sequence, we have understood that the maximum and the minimum time as per our requirement and the probability, we are finding that x and y. Now, we have done the timing. First, you have to important is we have to do the sequence. If you have done the A, B, now we'll process in the same problem as in the previous. This is for your references, for your convenient. Now, the students, are you able to see this right corner which I have written here? Now, you tell me after doing the A and B, you tell me which one is the minimum time here? 7, 11, 9, 9, 10, 12, 10. 10, 10, 7, 16, 6, 10 and 15. Which one is the minimum? 6 is the minimum. So 6, which is the sixth number? Vehicle number is 5. We'll write it in the right corner. This part is completed. Now which one is the minimum number?
7, sir.
7, but you can see there are the two 7. One 7 is in A and one other 7 is in the B. The first 7 is, we can write it as a 1 here. The another 7 we can write, now vehicle number is 3. So this part and this part is completed. The next one, which is the minimum is 9. We have completed, yes or no? So 9, the vehicle number is 4 and the A is in operation. We'll write it as a 4 here, guys. Okay, now tell me the 1 2 3 4 are completed and the remaining are, so 2 6 and 7, which one is the minimum? All the 10 are minimum, guys. Please look at this scenario. Okay, this is the 10, okay, and here also 10 and here also 10. So first we'll start with 7. We can write it down here 7 itself, and you can see the maximum, will write it down in the right side, or you can write in the vice versa, no issue on that. It here also 10 and here also 10, so you're convenient. Okay, 2 and 6. Okay, this is the 2 extra box are there, and so you completed. Is it up, is the up to here? If you are okay, then I can proceed.
Okay, sir.
Okay, first you understand we have to do the standard form, we have done. Then we have to see the all the replacement settings in the, if your numbers are available in the box. Then we have to go in the sequence. Here there are the 3 machines or vehicles are there, but For the simplicity, we have to do the single sequencing. In the help of the X and Y and Y and Z, we have find out A and B, and we have got some sequence. Our sequences are now vehicle number 1, vehicle number 4, vehicle number 7, vehicle number 2, 6, 3, and 5. I hope. Now, please, I need your cooperation and I need some numbers because I can't write in this same table. Okay, I hope everyone written in your notebook. If not, please take down in your notebook. I will go for the page 2. Is it okay? Anyone can give the response?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Shall I go for the next page? Okay. Now you can see in the second page, what is our next table? Anyone can tell me? The process will be the same. What we need to start now? Yes, can anyone tell me?
Sir, must go for the previous one. Sir.
What's the
Previous note.
previous
Page.
previous page? Okay, sir. You can see now. Okay. So now tell me, what is the next step now? What is the next step? I need your responses, sir. Why I'm stressing this is an important. You can get easily 12 marks or 10 marks as.
IPF.
Huh? Hello? Sorry? Can you tell me? Anyone can tell me?
Sir,
IBS.
idle time, sir.
Yes, good. So that is called initial basic or the table what we are going to solve in the problem. Now we'll go to make a format that the table. I hope everyone can see the screen. Shall I need to enlarge the size? Or I will enlarge. Okay, just a minute. So if the questions, anything is there, you please ask me and don't keep it there itself. If you have any simple question also, you can ask me and we can solve that problem. Now tell me, now I need your input from to write to these tables. Now tell me the sequence form 1.
Sir, 14726.
Closer. 1, 4, 2,
147
7. Okay. 7,
26
2, 6,
3
3, 5.
5. Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Now you will start with this is replacement. Okay, this is the sequence of the vehicles. Now, what is the replacement? You see the first table which they have given. So you tell me these values now. Okay, in the replacement means you need to tell this value. Please, I need the exact. If you have done the simple mistake, it will be problem. You tell me the replacement. I'm telling when I'm asking to replacement, you tell that this value. When you're saying the settings, you have to tell this value. This is an exact value when you're going to solve the problems. Okay, fine. Now we'll start with the sequence. The time will start from the 0 and how much time is taking to complete this task for the vehicle 1 is taking 3, right? Fine. Now how will that then what happened after replacementing the setting will start with a 3 hours or 3 minutes. How much time is taking for the setting 1 for the first operation?
7, sir. 3 plus 4.
4. You tell me 4. Okay, I'll write it down. Okay, you tell 4. Okay, 4 plus 3 is 7. So this part is completed. And what will inspection will start? He will start from the 7 minute. How much time he is taking? Please, one person
6.
can use the 6 plus 7 is 13. Good. Now this part is completed. Now you have to observe carefully. After this one, the fourth one, the replacement he will start from the 3 because the continuously he can work. The how much he is taking for the 4?
4.
3 plus 4 is 7. Now you should observe here the setting Here also he is taking 7 up to 7 hours or 7 minutes, and after second operation the 7 minutes. You need to see this 7 and we have to slide because it's exactly in the time it's getting the concluding. Now how much time is taking for the setting for the second fourth vehicle?
5.
5. 7 plus 5 is 12. Now you tell me, now you can see the inspection is still going on for the first vehicle. The second setting is going for the 12 minutes. How much we need to write here? It,
13.
13, yeah. If you mistake here, it's completely, it goes wrong. You have to write the 13 because up to 13 hours or 13 minutes, the vehicle is going to do the for the inspection. Now, how much is taking for the vehicle 4?
11.
11. You need to write the 13 plus 11 is 24. Now, you should, one person please tell me the 7. He'll start from the 7. For the 7th operation, how much is taking?
7.
14. So you see the 14 and the 12, but he will start from the 14 minutes. So tell me how much time is going to take for the 7th operation?
3.
So 3 means 17. You see here 24 and the 17. You need to write the 24. So how much is time going to take for the 7th vehicle?
12.
Well, 36. Now he will start from the 14. Now how much is going to start from the to complete second vehicle?
8.
8 means 22. So you see here 17 he completed, but the vehicle is going to run in the 22 minutes. Now you have to write the 22. After this only he need to go for the operation. Now how much is going for the second vehicle? Setting?
3.
Then 25. Okay, then the 25 and the 36. But after inspection only he need to go for the next operation. We have to write the 36. Okay, so how much is going to time now?
7.
7 plus 36 is 43. So fine. Now what we are going here to write the 22. So 22, right? So how much time is going for the vehicle? 6.
8.
28. Okay. So now see the 28 is complete for the
30, sir.
6th week.
22
So,
plus 8.
8. Okay. Sorry. 30. Now you see the 30 and the 35. The vehicle will start from the 30 and we have to write how much time going for the 6th vehicle?
4.
34. Okay, now 43 and 43. He will start from 43. So how much is going to time for the sixth vehicle?
6.
Then
49.
9. Good. Now after 30, he will start from the 30th hour or 30th minute, whichever the given. Now what is going to for the third vehicle?
7.
37. How much time is going to tell now? 37 means you have to see 37 we need to write. So how much is going to take the time for the third vehicle for the setting?
2.
39. So 49. How much third vehicle is going to take for the inspection time?
5.
5:54. So 37. So how much final fifth vehicle is taking time now?
9.
How much for 46? The 46 here. How much the fifth vehicle is going to take?
1.
47. Okay. And how much last one is?
5.
Thank you. Now 5 means 54 plus 59. Thank you. What's your good name? Just now you told me all the numbers.
Prashant, sir.
Prashant. Thank you, Prashant. Fine. Now we have completed our sequence time with help of the sequence. Now what is our next step after doing the processing time? What we have to find? We have to find the idle time for the replacement, okay, and resettings and the inspections. Guys, now you see the inspection that we have to identify the times. Now please observe here, we have to see how which vehicle is going to wait or which vehicle is going to stop or which vehicle is idle now in between. Now we'll start with a replacement. You see 0 to 3 is working, he's completely working. You can, when you're observing, he's completely working on. Yes or no? 3 to 7, 7 to 14, 14 to 22, 20 to 30, 30 to 37, and 37 to 46. When he is waiting for the 3 minutes to complete that task. Okay, and 7. Now you can observe here how here there is no waiting now, idle. How much here he is waiting? Anyone can tell me? 2, because he is starting from 14, but already in the 12th hour or 12th minute he completed. 2 hour is going to idle. Now how much idle time is going to idle for the setting here? I need any other students can unmute and you need to tell me active.
5, sir.
5.
5, sir. Good. Now here
5.
good. Next
3.
yes. Next
7.
7. Fine. Now go for the inspection. First he will wait for the 7 minutes to complete the replacementing and resettings. Now yes or no? You can check it out. Next one is continuously working. 7 to 13 is working. Fine. And 24 to 24 is working. 24 to 36 is working. 24 to 36 is working. And 36 to 43 is working. 42 and 49 is working. 54 to is working. Now we'll write down total. You write it down. Now tell me what is the total elapsed time now? $59. The question is given in the hours, right? Okay, we'll write it in the hours. 59 hours. Now, what is the idle time? Idle time for the replacement. Idle time for the replacement. What is an idle time for the replacement? 59 minus 46. How much? 13 hours. Okay, what is the replacement for idle time for the resettings? 49. 59 minus 47. But just keep, this is an idle time, but we have to add here. Okay, and what is an inspection time? Now you see here, this is, there is no idle time here. Here inspection time, there is a 7. Here 3 plus 5, 10, 15, sorry, 10, 15, 15, 25. We should add here 25, 37 hours. Yes, and the inspection for the 7 hours. This is an idle time for the all the replacement, setting and the inspections. After doing the sequence, we got that the idle times for the all the machines, that is 13 hour, 12 hour and the 7 hours. Is it clear to you? Is it clear? Any questions?
Sir, what do we call this table?
What do you call for?
This table name.
Table name, we are going in the sequence form only, sir. Sequence. There are things that to identifying the processing time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So wait, we can write it. It is in processing the time now. Okay, it's not an initial, but as per the forms, as per the things, what will happen? Sometimes 4 will come here, 3 will come here, sequence based on the other manner. But as per this format, we can easily identify that. So in the sequence form, the operations can run easily with the help of the time in and the time out. Okay, sir. Any other? Now, so yesterday I said that sometimes they will give the Gantt chart. Okay, if they are given in the Gantt chart, how to write in the Gantt chart? Shall I tell now? Yes. Yes or no? Hello? Prashant?
Sir.
Yes, my audio is audible, right? Okay, fine.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, after have you written in your notebook this one? I hope anyone has written in your notebook that? Yes or no? Fine.
Right,
Now,
sir.
writing,
Yes, sir.
okay, sir, complete that task. Now I will show you in moreover that's an important I have seen in this question paper also sometimes they have given the Gantt chart also. So in industry, moreover in industry they will follow the to make the Gantt chart to prepare for the idle time. They won't see this all the numbers and the stuff because they won't see because the Gantt chart they are more maintaining in this Gantt chart. Okay, sir. Now we'll start. Shall we start for the Gantt chart? If you are completed, please give the response. Hi, Kiran. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will tell you how to make the Gantt chart. If you see in the Gantt chart, this you should be understand that they will not set. This is then for the maintaining the vehicle. We should give in the maintaining the vehicle. Okay. Now what happened? We'll go with then first one. First one, what is in first one? Operation replacement. Okay. Now tell me the will take as a one column. Okay. Now tell me for the first operation, the first machine, first time, how much is taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You will start with, okay, we'll start with the number. It will start with, you tell me the only the replacement number. He started with 3 and he completed as 3 minutes. Yes or no? 3 hours. Please tell me this one 0 to 3, 3 to 7, 7 to 14, 14 to 22, 20 to 30, 30 to 37, 37 to 46. Please tell me. Now he started the 0 to 3. Yes. Next one 3 to
7,
7. Yeah. Next one 7 to
14,
14. Next
22,
22. Next
30,
30. Next
37,
37. Last 46. Okay. Now you tell me the sequence now. 1, 1,
4,
4,
7,
7,
2,
2,
6,
6,
3, 5.
3, 5. Now here you can see that after fifth experiment, after fifth one, we have got idle here. Up to where? What is an elapsed time now? Total passing time for the completing all the vehicles 59, right? This is the 59.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we'll go with the next one is resettings. So next we'll go with then resettings. Okay, here also we have to make the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You tell me you started from the 3. Yes, 0 to 3 is an idle time for the resettings. We have to hash it here. Now tell me the sequences now. 3 to students, please tell me 3 to
7, sir.
3 to 7. Next
7 to 12.
7 to 12. Next 14 something is there, right? Idle. You tell me this number,
14.
14, 17. Okay, please tell me this one. I will
14.
tell you. Now you see, he
14,
12 to 14 is an idle time. You have to hash here. If you see in the Excel or in the data science, automatically to get the data. So the person, he can understand 12 to 14 is an idle time. Afterwards, 14 to how much is taking time? 14 to
17.
17. Okay, next one, how much is there? 7 to 17 to
22. Idle time, sir. 22 to 25.
you tell me this 22. Okay, enough. So 17 to 22, that is 22 is an idle time. This is a Gantt chart. The person who is a manager, he can understand the 17 to 20 is an idle time, but 22 to 25 is an working time. Okay, fine. Now tell me 25 to, no, 30 to
Yes,
35, 30 to 34. But what is an idle time here? This is the idle time. Now, and 37, 34 to 37. Okay, 37 to 39, 37. Then you have to make a column here, 37 and 39. So what happened here? 34 to 37 is an idle times. Next one, 46 to 47. So what is going to say here? After 46 is completely idle time here. You should do in the Microsoft Word or in the proper presentation. Automatically you'll get the clear idea that how to, if you're seeing in industry, they won't see all the numbers. If you are done in these vehicles, so you'll get the idea that this is a chart, that this is called a Gantt chart. So you, if when you are doing your projects also, you should do in this Gantt chart. Sometime they will see in this Gantt chart. So what is this 1472635? Can anyone tell me what is this, all the 143 what we have written here? You should
sequence,
write,
sir.
not sequences, sir. These all are the vehicle maintenance. Okay, these all are the vehicle maintenance numbers in the sequence form. Okay, which we are given the numbers. Like that, we have to do for the one more is an inspections. So you can also make a table. Actually that's not 100% right. We have to follow the standard format. We have to do the scale. Automatically it will get in the real form. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now you tell me how the process is going on to complete this task. Now you tell me these numbers now. 7 to 13, 30 to 24, 24 to 36 and 59. Okay, Sai Kiran. Now
Sir,
0 to 7
0
is
7.
0 to 7 is idle time. Now we'll start 7 to 14.
13.
Okay, 14 to
Sir, 7 to 13. 13, sir.
13. Okay, oh, sorry. 7 to 13. Now 13 to
24.
24. 24 to
36.
36. 36 to
43.
43. 43 to
49.
49. 49 to
54.
54. 54 to 59.
59.
Yeah, now you can see here and you can write this vehicle number 1 4 7 2 6 3 and 5. Now you generally when if it is in the standard and the neat form, the person, the experienced person or you're solving problem, you can easily say that. So after inspection, the person as an engineer, we can easily identify that the person is in idle in between that time. After replacementing the item, the process is going continuously working for all the vehicles. And when you're going for the resetting, in between he was an idle and continuously he was working. You can observe here first initially 3 hours he was an idle, 3 minutes or 3 hours in the idle, and later 1 vehicle and 4 vehicle he was continue. And when you see 12 to 14, 2 hours or 2 minutes he was an idle, then seventh vehicle he was running, and 17 to 22 he was in idle, and second vehicle he was started. And when you are going for 22 to 25, he was working, and 25 to 30 he was idle, 5 hours or 5 minutes he was in idle. And the sixth vehicle he's taken 30 to 34 continuously, and later he was idle. When you go for the inspection, that person is continuously working from the 1 to 4, fourth vehicle, 4 to seventh vehicle, 7 to 12, second vehicle, sixth vehicle, and third vehicle, and fifth vehicle. Based on the maintenance, based on the production, based on the machines, we can easily identify. Why you have taken this problem? As an engineer, as an automobile engineer, we have to identify. If you go present nowadays, any showrooms or service centers, they will follow, they not same similar, they will go in the different form. You can see they will give in particular schedules to you timing, and they will also identify that this is till the particular time, that they will not take more vehicles also. If suddenly today one vehicle came, second vehicle came, this timing convenient you have to observe, then only the problems can be solved. What is the main objective? The person should not wait also, and also more important, if you think in the material point of view, your sequence will be going on. If you think in the manpower of point of view, you can easily identify it. If I ask one person to you, you generally will say that who is more idle in these 3 inspections, sir? Can anyone tell me after seeing this chart? More idle? Just justify it now. Anyone can give the response.
Resetting.
Yes, sir.
Resetting. Second one.
Resetting. Okay. First, what's your name, sir? Prashanta? Huh?
Pranav.
Pranav. Okay. Pranav is saying the resettings. Any other? Yes. Any other students are there? You want to tell anything? You can see these are the idle times. Yeah. No one? Yes, good. Pranav, you said exactly right that when the person is going for the resetting, he has a more idle time, right? So what the manager, what he will think, he can't go for the justification also, but in between the vehicles are coming. If you go for the replacement, the things will be changes. But what when you see about when you're justifying the replacement, one to continuously the replacement person is working on that, and the end he will be get free. So it's not like 100% we can solve that problem. We have to see that based on the numbers, based on the timing, based on the hours, we have to rectify. But meanwhile, when you are giving and probability about the salary or work schedules or another, we can plan that. Yes or no? So this is an important for the Gantt chart. So moreover, what happened in the when you are explaining about the Gantt chart, we'll get the clear idea what the where we are working. It may be in hour or time or the schedules. I hope you got the clarity that how that sequence problems will be going to solve.